Hey family, if your energy feels off, or if it feels scattered, or you feel foggy, or even just not you, right? Then stick around because this is your message. And I want you to know that it's not in your head. The thing is your energy is actually trying to send you a message, which we're going to talk about. And we're also going to reset your energy in 3 minutes. And we are going to do that fully, simply, and powerfully. So if you're new here, by the way, I'm Lindsay, and I hope that y'all are all doing so well. I love you all so much, and I am so excited to help you reset, hopefully, and let's go ahead and dive right in. So your energy is your frequency, right? It speaks louder than your words. And if you didn't know, it even speaks louder than your thoughts. And so when our energy feels off or scattered from things like stress or overgiving or even absorbing the emotions of others, which if you identify with being an empath or a highly sensitive person, anything like that, then this is really going to resonate with you. But when our energy feels off from things like that and circumstances like that, it results in us feeling drained and anxious and unmotivated and uninspired. But what you need to understand is it's not because you are failing, it's because your field is cluttered. So I'm going to guide you through this ritual that I do every single day that helps me reset my energy. It brings me back to center and it declutters your energetic field, right? And it only takes 3 minutes. And the best part about it is the simplicity of it. You know, as much as I love crystals and Palo Santo and frequencies and all those things, what's great about this ritual is all you need for this one is just your presence. So now I'm going to walk you through my 3-minute energy reset. And I don't want you to worry about taking notes or anything like that because I am going to pin the prompts in the comment section for you to refer back to. So let's start with the first step, which is going to be a breathe and drop in step. So you are going to start by taking a deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds, and you're going to hold for 4 seconds, and then you're going to exhale out of your mouth for 8 seconds. So let's do one together. So you're going to do that 3 to 5 times. And as you're breathing, what you want to do is imagine your awareness dropping from your head into your body. And I like to imagine that as a white or golden light or a little bit of mix of both, depending on what you resonate with. And then you're going to say silently or out loud, I call all of my energy back to me. And you're going to feel it returning. The key here is not to force, but just to allow. So let's move on to the second step, which is going to be a clear and release step. So you're going to place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. And you're going to say, I now release all energy, all cords, thoughts, and emotions that are not mine. And you are going to visualize a golden light washing over you. Then you are going to say, I return to wholeness. I am centered. I am clean. I am clear. And you want to let that become your truth. Step number 3 is the fun part. And here you are going to choose a new state. And I really love this part because it's things like this that help us to realize that we don't have to let our environments control us, right? That we actually have the power to flip the script and realize that we can be the ones in charge of our own energy. And then when we're in charge of our own energy, then we can be in charge of our reality, right? And we can become the creator rather than the victim of our environment, right? So what you're going to do here is choose a frequency. And you're just going to get clear on what it is that you need right now, whether that be peace or power or love, abundance, whether that be anything that it is that you need right now. And then you are going to say, I choose fill in the blank. I anchor into it now. Then you are going to visualize yourself glowing in that frequency. And then you're going to breathe into it. Then you're going to own it. And you're going to let it expand. Then you are going to close by saying, I am aligned, I am home, and this is my new baseline. So I want to know if you feel a difference after that. And I get that this doesn't change your to-do list, but it does change your frequency. And that's what the 3D responds to. And I just want you to know that you're not stuck. You're just disconnected from your source, right? And it's these things and even like really simple rituals like this one that bring you back. So again, I'm going to drop these prompts in the comment section. I'm going to pin them for you so that way you can take it with you anywhere and do this anywhere at any time. And just let me know that it worked for you and give it a shot because it's something that really helps me every single day, particularly being an empath, and it just helps me be the one in charge of my own energy again, rather than being a victim of my environment. And we have that choice every single day. And even just doing a simple thing like this really helps reprogramming, especially for an empath. So again, let me know, drop a fire emoji for me if you're ready to release the burnout and be back in control of your energy and be reconnected to your source. And just know that I am so proud of you. I'm always rooting for you. I'm always pulling for you. Just know I love you so much. I'm so grateful for you. And I can't wait to see what you do as always. And I will see you in the next one.